signals and systems. So this is what the next subject that we are going to start, guys. So I hope this is one of the most demanded and it is one of the very basic and much requested subject for all the things to proceed in the for both the AC as well as triple E students and even IN in the instrumentation students also. So this course, like the especially controls and systems, signals and systems, which will be the source for control system and communication systems, signal processing, and many more wireless communication, everything. So all the background is completely dependent on the subject. So first I will start with the signals and systems and some basic courses as like. So digital electronics is one of the basic courses. We have completed that. After that, signals and systems that we will be starting that, and then network theory and control systems. So these are some basic things. So once these are completed, then we can go to the advanced topics like CMOS, VLSI, signal processing, and then communication system, wireless systems, wireless communications. So those kind of things I will do, guys. So don't worry, we'll be doing partly one by one. I will be doing. So the signals and systems. So let's explore how much demand that we have and what are the syllabuses present in here. So now let's see the syllabus. So first module is signals. So here what we'll be doing is that we will be analyzing the signals, continuous time signals, discrete time signals, and everything, and what are the different types of signals, everything we'll be seeing. And the second module is the systems. So LTA systems and some more types of systems are there. So those kind of systems we will be going into depth of those things. Yes. So I think if these two modules are completed, then I think 40% of the syllabus is over. So because these two will be contributing much fundamentals. So which will be almost covering 40% of the syllabus. So rest of things are just an applied version of these both things. So after the signals and then second module systems that is completed, we'll be starting to continuous time Fourier series. So that is I am mentioning that is continuous time Fourier series. So Fourier series is one of the most demanded subject, guys. So plenty of students will like to learn, but they may not know the exact thing from where and how to proceed there. But don't worry, I will make this as very good subject for you guys to learn. So mostly we say CTFS. So continuous time Fourier series. So after the Fourier series for continuous time done, I will make the continuous time Fourier transform, that is CTFT. So that is I'm making continuous time Fourier transform. Okay, so these are some order. So if we go in this order, it will be very good, easy and good for us to understand the things. And then we will be starting with the Laplace transform. So Laplace transform. I will explain everything. So how what you mean by Laplace transform, why we need everything, we can discuss it. So and then let me go to new page. So sixth one, that is a Z transform. So this is also very important, guys. So Laplace transform we use for continuous time signals and the Z transform we use for digital signals. So I will explain everything in the classes. For now, just note it out. So once this is done, then we will go into DTFT. So that is a discrete time Fourier series. So discrete time Fourier series. After that, what will be for is DFT. So discrete Fourier transform. This is not the same, guys. There is lot of difference there. I will explain everything crystal clear. Don't worry. After that, what we can go to DTFS. So most of the time this is ignored in plenty of syllabus, but let we can go over it. So no problem over that. DTFT, that is a discrete time Fourier transform. Then FFT, fast Fourier transform and inverse fast Fourier transform. Everything we will be discussed there. And then some miscellaneous concepts that we will be discussing. Miscellaneous topics that also I will be covering there. So these are all the syllabus, guys. So I am pretty much covered everything. So we are going to make this control system, sorry, signals and systems with this to the top class. So I will make this good for you guys. Okay. So what are the books that you can refer during this subject? Is the books are not needed. If you guys watch my lectures, that will be fine. So if you need more fundamental knowledge, then I am suggesting few books. That is, first one is Open Eman. So this is one of the very important books. So plenty of the signals and systems staff will suggest this one only, Open Eman. Then Simon Huygens. So I will suggest Simon Huygens because the comparing to the both the books, Open Hyman is good, but the Simon Huygens, which is latest. So where some plenty of modern problems are added there. So I will suggest you guys to go for Simon Huygens because so Simon Huygens, which have the signal processing as well as the wireless communication also, the book was very good. So I will suggest you guys to go for any books, whichever you prefer, you guys can go. But these are the two books you guys can refer it. So apart from that, what you guys can expect from me in this course is that, yeah, detailed real-time understanding that I will giving you over all the topics. So why we need this? If it is not, then what if that? So everything A to Z I will explain. And one more thing, along with the explanation, I also solve the previous year questions. So previous year question means just an intermediate. So one or two problems for every sub topic is. After the entire course is completed, as I promised, I will make 10 years of previous question. I will make for every subject once I completed some 50% of syllabus in GATE or over the syllabus. So once this is done, I will solve last 10 years of previous year question. That will be pretty enough for you guys to become a master in your topics. So like even understanding the subjects or even clearing gate examination for core placement, everything that will be fine. So for now, so we will be starting with the signals and then we will be slowly proceeding with up to FFT, that is a fast Fourier transform. So and even some more subtopics are there. I will make everything. So DFT, FFT, which will be very much good in a real time study, in a real time condition. If we study that, it will be very good. So butterfly diagrams, those things, everything I will cover. So I'm leaving this to you guys. So like, share, and subscribe the channel. Please share this to as many as your friends because plenty of students are not subscribed to the channels. So once the channel is subscribed, you will be get notified on all things, right? So I will make more videos as motivator. So stay tuned, guys. So we will be starting with the signals and systems with from the next classes. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned.